Hello and welcome to the Daily Blizzard, where it's all about sliding on snow with boards. Here on the Daily Blizzard, we're going to talk about the most weirdest, wonderful and wildest places for you to go and shred. And to kick it all off, we have Iran. Yes, I said Iran. Usually known for dictators and sun and oil, but now, for you, it's a place for you to go and shred the shit out of it. In the 1930s, when a bunch of Germans were building railway tracks, they decided to introduce a couple of chairlifts. And so on, we have now a destination for you to go and shred. And in the 1950s, the Ski Federation of Iran was founded. Pretty good. And then we go to India, where is our next destination of weird and wonderful. God, I can't sing. So, India, known for curries, funny looking gods, cows, super uber cheap, but it also has a chairlift as high as 3,143 meters, and it has got some serious pow. And finally, we have fridges or sheds, or big huge buildings with indoor snow, and these things are opened all over the world, in Dubai, the UK, the Netherlands, Australia. But I tell you one thing about these things, they produce some sick talent. These are real riders' heavenly home of enjoyment in life. Thank you for watching the Daily Blizzard. If anybody would like to sponsor my show, I have no idea why you would want to, but please contact Ghandi at EpicTV.com. That would be amazing. Thank you. Smile face. Facebook.